to come and say that my land-able friend, Mr. Mwite, will only have 10 minutes, will have no 5 minutes.
Mr. Mwite asked for 10 minutes and we allowed him to have 10 minutes.
He said so because he was under coercion.
That is correct.
My Lord, may I say, I have taken the trouble to read this constitution of Kenya. I have taken the trouble to read the constitutions of other countries. In fact, the way things stand at the moment, the constitution law is evolving in such a manner that it's no longer confined only to Kenya. We can have a concept of international constitutional law. And if you read that law, including the American law, which I've taken the trouble to read, and which I've had access to it for many years.
Dr. Kavuna, we made proposals and we gave directions. Apparently, you are not satisfied. What is your version? What would you want us? You want to give everybody how much time?
My Lord, forget about the concept of time. Forget, where are we heading for? What are we heading for?
So,
yeah, we want the country to wake up and to revive and to give the life to the country. The country is Kenya, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Your Honor, let the lawyers say what they want to say. This should be part of the healing process of the whole country.
Dr. KHAMINWA, I ask you.
Yes.
We have given directions on time allocation.
Your hands are not tied with respect.
Okay, tell us, just tell us, in your view, how much time do you want us to allocate parties?
What I'm saying to the tremendous respect, my Lord, we talk about time in civil matters and so on. But we are dealing here with the issue of impeachment. Issue of impeachment of the deputy president. It's not a small matter at all. It's a matter that is touching the whole nation. It has paralyzed the nation.
We have heard you, Dr.
And
KHAMINWA.
let Paul Mwite be given as much time as he wants. Let the professor be given as much time as he wants. Let the Honorable Attorney General be given as much time as he wants. That is the healing process. And from this court, we shall all march forward with confidence. If I may quote Mutajo Makinyata, kifua mbele na matako nyuma. Yeah. Okay. Let us do that. Let us forget about time. Where are we going? Where are we going? Please, I'm speaking. Will you speak? Sit down. With respect, will you sit down, please? KHAMINWA is talking. Will you sit down? It doesn't matter what you call yourself. Would you sit down, please? Yeah. I am talking. I have got the floor.
Under the rules of this court, senior counsel has preference, speaks first before any other person except the Attorney General. So if you would please sit down. I
will not sit down. We're not practicing law. You are still doing breastfeeding.
That is also
Don't give yourself serious title to be deserved at all. You are doing
Excuse me.
You are doing breastfeeding. Don't give yourself titles which you don't deserve. My Lord, what
Dr.
I'm saying to you.
Finish what you are saying.
What I'm saying to you, my Lord, we need a healing process, and this court is going to provide that healing process. Let the lawyers say what they want to say. What are we hurrying for? Let us not have some people calling themselves professor or senior counsel, titles that don't mean anything at all when it comes to jurisprudence.
I think they mean something, Dr. KHAMINWA. They do mean something.
Something means something when it is you and you approve it. Yeah. My Lord, all that I'm saying to you, let people talk. Let people address you. Where are we going?
People will talk.
When the country is burning.
Dr. KHAMINWA, you have made your point. Please.
Yes, thank you very much.
You have made your point.
I have made a point. Yes.
Professor.
We have a deputy chief justice who has been removed irregularly. Let us be given time to be able to address you. Thank you.
I think those of us who are representing substantive respondents, we all agree that you have given orders that we will comply with, including my learned senior, P.K. Mwite, who I believe you have added some more time and he's happy with that. Maybe it would help if we informed Dr. KHAMINWA that it is not the whole matter that is being heard in 10 minutes. It's a very small slice of an application on empowerment. That's all I wanted to clarify.
So, Dr. KHAMINWA, I've heard what you said.
Thank you,
We'll stick to the time allocations, but in the event that one party needs more time, they will tell us.
Well, when we come to substantive matters, let people say what they want to say.
I agree with
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Where are we heading to?
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Madam Chair, in view of that time allocation, and I thank Senior Counsel, the senior most going by the Kenya law reports before you, may I
By the way, mention my name. Mention my
Dr.
name.
KHAMINWA.
Thank you.
My Lord, even the report of the East Africa Law Community confirms that. My Lord, the point I need to make, and I beseech you, because of the serious time that we had to prepare this application, I could only prepare for certain aspects of this application. My colleagues, Professor Gada, and my colleagues, Ndegwa and Njiro, within the 20 minutes that you have allocated, I will say my piece. It is insufficient, but I'll try. Please give Ms. Professor Gada and Mr. Ndegwa and Njiro 10 minutes each, and at the end, when we hear what the respondents are saying, you kindly give me, you need to indicate 20 minutes to do a rejoinder. That will enable us to be able to proceed without anybody feeling we want to be here forever. We don't actually want to be here forever. We want to deal with the business of the day. So that does not change any time allocations by more than 30 minutes. So I urge your Lordship.
So who's starting?
I'm starting.
Okay.
Yes. So that I do 20 or gather 20, because he has to deal with some authorities. I didn't get enough time. I will stand 10, then I'll do the rejoinder. My Lord, the application that is before you is dated today. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by. It is supported by the affidavit sworn by Honorable David Muni Madenge. And for the record, all lawyers from Matiba, Ogada, Ndegwa, and myself, the record indicates we act for everybody without drawing any distinctions, because there will be no time